Hello, my dear friends. Hi, how are you? I hope you are fine. This is Jayasree, and I welcome you to this class. It has come to our notice that some of you are not taking the video classes seriously. What's going to happen? If you do not take the video classes seriously, you will suffer later. So please do take video classes seriously and then continue your studies. Unless you stay home, you will not be safe. It is advisable to stay home now during this corona pandemic. If you do not stay home, you will not be safe. So please do stay home and be safe. If you do not wear a mask, you will not be allowed to school or any other public place. So please do wear a mask. What happens if you do not wear a mask? You will not be allowed into any place, be it school or mall or any other place. Unless you spend quality time with books and videos now, your studies will be affected. So you have to spend some quality time with books and videos now, or else what's going to happen? Your studies will be seriously affected and you will suffer later. So please do spend some quality time with books and videos now. Have a good look at all these 4 sentences. You might have observed some things. What did you observe? Unless is used in 2 sentences, if is used in 2 sentences, and it seems that each sentence has 2 parts because they are shown in different colors. Hope you have identified those. Moving on, let's know more about all these things. Unless means if not. What's the meaning of unless? It means if not. Sentences with unless or if not are negative conditional sentences. Whatever the sentences that you have just seen and whatever the sentences that you have just heard are called negative conditional sentences. Why do we call them negative conditional sentences? Because it has negativity in that. Unless or if not are used in that. So that's why we call them negative conditional sentences. And these sentences have 2 parts. You have seen it already. The part that begins with if not or unless tells us the condition. The part that has if not or unless, it tells us the condition. And this part has a verb in the present tense. Whatever the part that has if not or unless has verb in the present tense. The verb used in that part of the sentence is in present tense. The other part of the sentence tells us about a possible result. This part will have verb in future tense. It tells us what will happen if the condition in the first part is not met. Whatever the other part is there, that part has the verb in future tense. What is the function of that part in the sentence? It gives us the possible result. Whatever the condition that is presented in the first part of the sentence, if it is not met, what might happen in the future? That possible result is given in the other part. Let's analyze one sentence for further understanding. Let's look at this. Unless you stay home, you will not be safe. This is the sentence we got here. So let's try to analyze this. It seems that it has 2 parts. One part is unless you stay home and the other part is you will not be safe. What is this part? Unless you stay home is giving us the condition and you will not be safe is giving us the possible result. And this unless you stay home, this part has the verb in present tense. When you look at the verb there, stay, it is used in its present form. So it is in present tense. Unless you stay home, you will not be safe. In the second part of the sentence, which is giving us the result, it is used in future tense. So the second part or the other part will have the verb in future tense. Hope you have understood this. I hope you have learned how to use unless and if not. Don't be confused with the tense of the verb. It's very easy. Every sentence with unless or if not has 2 parts. In the part that has unless or if not, the verb will be in present form. And the other part will have the verb in future form. And it gives us the possible result. Whatever the part that has unless or if not tells us the condition. I hope you have got this. And we have to do an activity. That is, write a few sentences on your own using if not and unless. Write at least 10 sentences using if not and 10 sentences using unless. You need to help yourself to get better. These video classes alone are not going to help you. You need to help yourself by doing all the activities that are given to you. And I want you to complete these activities in time and make sure that these sentences reach me. Hope you have understood, and I hope this video is helpful in developing you. Thank you.